Hey guys, this is RR, and today I'm gonna show you one more property. This one is located in Sector 41, and it is just behind Silokra village. And on the left side of the property, we have Sector 31 market, which is 70 to 80 meters from the property. You can go to, you can reach Star Mall by walk, and all it takes 7 to 8 minutes. Huda metro station is 1.2 kilometer. Price I'll tell you in the end of the video. At the end of the video, first of all, I would like to show you, the nearby area of the property, and let's start showing the property to you. Okay, this is the locality. Let me show you the locality first. This is the area. On the left side, this is Sector 31. The nearby buildings, and this is Silokra village. The Silokra village, and this is the property. This is the entrance. You can see the building is little bit old, but the rooms are big in size and very spacious rooms. This is the reception area and the CCTV. As you can see, we have a fully functional kitchen where you can cook for yourself. If you want to hire a maid who could cook for you, the maid are easily available. RO, the fridge, full size fridge, and rooms are like this. Sorry. The washroom, cupboard, full size cupboard, and we have a balcony here. This is the locality. We have a park nearby. Let me show you one more room. One more room. This room is available on triple sharing basis. The price for this room is 4,500 per person. The price I am telling you is without food. We don't have a food facility here, but we have a kitchen where you can cook for yourself. This is the room. Window is very big. This is the back side of the room. The cupboards, washroom, separate cupboards with key. One more. Separate cupboard for each tenant. This room is available on double occupancy basis. We have one more balcony here. This is the washroom. Small balcony, and as you can see, there is the park I was talking about, with the jogging track. That is Shakti Peeth Mandir, and this is Sector 31. So this is the room. This property is semi-furnished property. This room is available on 5,000 per person. 5,000 per person. As I said, the price is without food. Maids are easily available. You can hire someone to cook for you, so that you can get home style food. This is not a PG, but it is more like a home. There is no restriction. Owner is not living at the property. I am available all the time in the property. This is Silokra village, opposite side. Okay, CCTVs are there. If you have any more questions, you can ask me, and all the details, rent structure, amenities, I'm sharing in the description. Thanks.